very exciting year for students as they are all introduced to multiplication, division, and fractions. Students have many opportunities throughout math time to solve math problems and equations and to share their thinking, and they also are able to learn from one another, which is very exciting.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Simon and I teach 3rd grade here at Nathan Hale School. We begin our day with a choice of either a hot or cold breakfast. Then we move into our morning meeting, and right after morning meeting, right into our Reader's Workshop. Our Reader's Workshop consists of a rotation of centers. We have guided reading, we have independent reading, we have Reader's Theater, word work, and we also have a Lexia Center.
In the afternoon, we do science and social studies. Our science is inquiry-based into units involving water and climate, forces in motion, and animals and habitat. In social studies, we study local history and state government. We work in partnership with the New London Historical Society, who arranges field trips to local historical sites.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Wallace, and I'm a 3rd grade teacher here at Nathan Hale Arts Magnet School. At our school, we focus on a writer's workshop model, which means that students meet for mini lessons for their writing, where we discuss different topics. Then they break off to work independently on their writing. After that, we meet in small groups or with their peers to conference to give each other ideas and suggestions on how to improve our writing. From there, students are able to publish after they revise and edit and share on our author's chair some of what they've been working on. The topics that we cover are narrative writing, usually in the fall, opinion writing in the winter, informational writing in the spring, and then we wrap up the year with fairy tales and fantasies.